Hello. Okay. How's it going? I figured I would just I would continue what I was doing before, showing you all the stuff. I hate to say this, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I went out again today and I got some great stuff again. All right, let's see here. All right, I'll do what I got today first, and then I'll finish with the stuff that I was finding in different parts of the room. So I was cleaning and I found some more stuff. Yeah, first thing I seen today, Bowman Megas. Now I know these aren't great, but selling them for $8, so I picked two of them up. Is that the same box? Okay, it is. That's weird. It looked different. Can't believe all the good stuff I got today. Today's Saturday, I guess. No one goes out. No one's like me. They go out. I go out every day. Oops. I tried to buy the whole box of these. Then the thing wouldn't ring up, and then I'm like, well, I'll just take them out of the box and ring them up as one, and then times it by 12 because it was like 12 in a box. And he tried to do it. He kept trying to do it for me, and then finally, he says, "Oh, no, these are supposed to be individual." I was like, I thought I was gonna be able to buy a whole friggin'. Well, he said, yeah, there was two of them there. I said, I'll buy them both. I was gonna buy 24 packs. It would have cost $120 for that. That's well worth it. Just makes me cry that I didn't get it. I was so close to getting it. I was so close. Alright, that was the first time I went out. And I went out again. And I got two of these. Two of these. Two of these. I now have like, I don't know, 12 of these. I'm not even sure. I got so many of these, it's crazy. And then I got these. And these. Oops. So I got 4 Mega Bowmans. I got 4 Chronicle blasters. 4 Diamond King hangers. 4 Topps Jumbo Pack Series 1 and 2 Chronicle Fat Packs. I'll take them. Alright, 5 minutes in, 10 minutes left. Alright, let's get you. Ooh, here's a good find. Shohei pitching. Oops. Shohei hitting. What? Where the hell? Shohei hitting. I love it. So we got 2 of those. Let me get this out of the way. Archives. These are sweet. 2020 archives. Whoa. Archives baseball. Really sweet looking. I'll tell you what, I wish I bought more of those. They are really cool looking. There we go. Pretty mama. That's fine. All right. Ooh, we got a bunch of these. It's basically those multi-use decals. I don't know, you can see them. There's that one. There's this one. Then there's the big one. National Champs. I got a bunch of these. Ooh. Got a bunch of keychains. They are Pitt Panthers. I got the smaller ones. These are magnets, though. Die-cut magnets. They're really sweet, especially to Villanova fans. Hockey puzzle. Who's the best team? The Oilers. Oh, okay. I finally figured it out. It's a 500-piece puzzle. Okay. Let's the rest of these. Oh, that's awesome. Oh. Started me off on my fantastic voyage. Oh my. think I showed you this the other day. Oh, yeah, that's right, because it was up here. Series 2. Of course. Can never be normal. Prism Hoops. Blaster box. That's so awesome. Now for the local team. Aaron Judge. Holiday ornament. When he played for Aaron Judge used to play, well, actually all of them played for the team right up the road. Looks very Scranton. Rail Riders. Vivid Voltage. Yeah, okay. Don't think I'll ever buy from them again, unless they start treating the hobbyists, hobby baseball card enthusiasts with some respect. Screw those guys. Battle Styles. Okay. All right. Got 3 minutes to go. I should be able to show all this stuff in that time. Not that it matters, but there's 2 fat packs. When did I get these? I got these back in March 19th, 2021. Not sure what day that would have been. All right. Ah, cool. Mugs. Duck Dynasty. These are, what are these things? Oh, maybe keychain? Oh, talking keychain. Yeah, it says goofy stuff. They were clearing them out, so I grabbed some of them. Grabbed a couple here and there. Grabbed some Pittsburgh Penguins lip balm. I did some, I don't even know how much I got these mugs for. I think they were like $2. They're beautiful too. What else did I get? Oh, here we go. This is funny. Pittsburgh Penguins chair. It's like a man cave type of thing. It's a little chair, like a pretend chair from the stadium. Duck Dynasty. Got a whole bag full. Keychains, mugs, hockey sheets. Let's see. There's other things too. I can't find them. There's only like a minute left. I know I had a couple different kind of keychains. I'm sorry, are they considered lanyards? Yeah. But yeah, these are really cool. Especially those mugs. I really like the mugs. How about chapstick? That's funny. Alright, let's get this in there. Yeah. There's, like I said, there's other things in there too, but there we go. Alright, I guess that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Because the only thing left is a clearance box with popcorn in it and a receipt. Alright. Thanks for watching.